Alright, what are we doing, Cameron?
I don't know. We're gonna die.
What? Yeah.
What's that supposed to be? That ain't no shifter.
Yeah, it is.
No,
That's how they shift.
That's gay. It's like my knob.
Where's Anthony? I don't want to fucking run him over.
He's
It's
over
a
there.
truck, Fred, and it's a bump there. So
What is he doing?
Down.
He tried
record me.
He tried to straddle the
The
road.
box isn't bolted on either, so like.
Oh. That makes
Why?
sense.
What?
Why not?
I don't know. Why fuck not? Bang! Right in the fucking trampoline.
Imagine.
Your mom would rape us.
Don't spin. I'm trying not to spin.
Well, Caden, you one spin.
Put it in manual.
Sucker.
No, I don't know how it works.
Caden.
Ah!
Me neither.
Now you don't gotta fucking back right up to it, right?
I want to, though.
Since there's 3 of us,
Oh,
Fuck off,
We're
Anthony.
not pulling it out.
it ain't hard.
Honda.
It's fucking light.
No, I'm not using the Honda right now. We'll do that later.
Once Anthony's gone. Your pool's kind of green.
Oh, it's fucking green as shit, man.
You want to go swimming?
No. We can do it later with the Honda.
So we get beat.
I probably shouldn't stand there. The cops had to run me over. Hey,
You're
stop.
spinning.
What?
You're spinning.
I'm trying to. It's a 4-wheel. Keep your raking straight.
It sounds like a diesel. That's not good.
How close am I to that pallet?
You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Just leave her there.
Cameron, grab that front.
Ah, fucking spider. Yeah!
Hold on. I'll protect-
No, that way we have something to set it on. Just put that right here.
Move that. No, we're gonna have to move this on right from under it. Exactly. Because it's gonna go on its ass. So we gotta get this front end.
Hey, watch that. That's gonna start pissing gas.
Yeah, watch that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck me, daddy.
Caden, go get in the truck. Just go get in the faggot. I got it.
Do you?
Yeah.
You're just gonna let it go down and break his front end. Wrong gear.
I got it. I'm not gonna let it go down, do I? I'm fucking
Yeah. Anthony.
It wouldn't let me move because the fucking door was open.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm sitting there fucking revving her in between gears. Alright, just set it on that pallet. You got my battery and shit? No. Fuck me. Fucking rig.
Let's go. Let's go scare the shit. Is your parking brake on?
Shouldn't be.
It is.
No, it's not.
Why is it doing that?
Parking
then?
brake doesn't work.
Well, yeah, but click the thing down.
Fuck.
Is it?
Shouldn't be.
My balls.
Click it all the way down.
Oh, it was on.
Hey, Caden, can I open the door?
No.
Yeah.
Well, stop. Yeah.
Stop.
Oh no, it just tells you that it's open.
Maybe it's the driver door that.
Watch your mom come out and yell at us.
You just start driving to the fucking driveway, Caden.
Yeah, I just hey, we're gonna go for a little ride, boys.
And mom will be back.
Hey, if you break that, my dad's gonna beat me and then I'm gonna beat you, okay?
He's gonna beat you with me.
Probably. Back it up towards it.
Yeah.
Hey, it's not even warm yet. Don't do that.
Sucker was in neutral.
Oh, I was spinning.
What?
I was spinning. I was gonna say let's put it in gear, but I can't.
Fire right up the bathroom.
Oh,
What kind of key is on a recipe key I gave? Yeah.
oh, she doing her check.
Where's the positive?
Right there, right here. Fucking nuts. Drag it over, Anthony.
No, not yet.
Yeah, I know.
You on there good?
Should be. Nope.
Alright.
I'll hold it. Yeah. Just connect it to the frame. Fucking takes long. Come on to it. We might have just lit it on fire.
You want to do it
It
again?
fired up though. You see that?
Yeah. Your engine, the tractor just lit on fire.
So let's not use that as a fucking point to start.
No, because you spilled gas
spilled
everywhere.
gas all
Let's
over.
fucking get it up here.
She's not getting her fuel because Cameron, he puts fuel into the car and she revs.
They catch on fire.
On your hands.
Anthony's hands might catch on fire.
Flammable.
I know.
Alright, well, Caden actually did something.
It'll run because of the vacuum of the carburetor.
Exactly, that's what I was saying. Yeah, she fucking runs great now. See?
It's either gonna blow up when we go to start it, or it's gonna work.
She's gonna sound like a dick.
It's gonna sound like that thing.
Hopefully.
I guarantee you she's gonna sound louder. This is,
Oh yeah.
this is gonna be
Tell him
so
it's gonna.
fucking
Tell him it's a
loud.
fucking cat.
It's either gonna blow up or this is gonna be the best idea we've ever had. Alright, start her up.